Veronica, and we're starting this experiment.
So what ingredients do we have, Veronica?
Food coloring, milk, and soap.
Okay, so what are we going to do first? We're going to pour the milk in the tray?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Not too much.
Not too much, just a little bit so that we have enough to cover the bottom. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right. Next, we're going to add some food coloring.
I want this food coloring.
All right, let's get some drops in there. We'll come back when we've got all our drops. All right, let's see what happens. What's happening?
I don't know.
Do it on the other side. Try to catch the color with it. Move it around in there. See what happens. Look at it go. What's it doing?
I don't know. It's making color though.
All right, get some more soap and see if we see what happens. Still moving away from it? So what happened when you put the soap in there?
It makes color.
Why do you think that happened?
Because it makes color with the soap.
Yeah, and the soap is like making it run away from it, isn't it?
What happens if we make more soap?
Oh, let's see. What do you think will happen?
I don't think it will get nothing away. Can you stop mixing now?
So what happens, Veronica, is milk is made up all kinds of proteins and fats. And what happens is the soap, when you put it in there, it tries to attach, it tries to bind with the fats in the milk, which makes it move all around and try to catch the fats in the milk. So when you keep adding soap, it keeps pushing it all around as the soap tries to get to the fat molecules. And it makes a pretty rainbow. It almost looks like a galaxy in space, doesn't it?
I handled Daddy.
So what did you learn, Veronica?
And then that it was something and it was pushing it away.
Yeah.
Can I stop it now?